Marie here at Estilo Salon. Today's tutorial will be on creating beachy waves in your hair. The only two tools that I really need today is a 1-inch curling iron and my favorite Control Force hairspray to finish my look. Without further ado, let's get started. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is section my hair. I'm just going to part down the middle in the back and create two sections. I like to begin by taking 1-inch sections, and I like to curl the hair away from my face. I start the curl on the interior of the hair and then move it back towards my scalp. Press the spring, bring it away, move back towards my scalp. Press the spring, bring it away, move back towards my scalp, leaving about a 1.5-inch tail at the end to give it that really cool beachy wave look. And release. Next section, right below that, about a 1-inch area from front to back. And again, curling backwards, starting towards the root, rolling towards my scalp, pressing the spring here, pulling away towards my scalp, pulling away, and again one more time, leaving the tail in the end. So I'm going to continue this technique on my left side about 6 more times. Notice I'm continuing to take a 1-inch section of hair and continuing to keep this tail end out. Depending on how hot your curling iron is, this one is very hot. I only need to hold the curl anywhere from 10 seconds depending on the thickness of your hair. Our left side is done. One thing I do want to mention is I like to let this side completely cool before touching it. If you would like a looser curl, then run your fingers through it pretty much right after the curl is out of your curling iron. Now I'm gonna start my right side, and here I go. Again, starting with 1-inch sections and curling away from the face. Starting towards the scalp, rolling backwards, opening my clamp up, rolling backwards, and leaving about a 1.5-inch tail at the end, and release. I'm going to continue again about 6 sections on this side. So there you have it. I have 6 to 7 curls on both sides. And I do want to mention that if you are unfamiliar with starting your curls in the center of the hair strand, you may want to practice with your curling iron off until you feel that you're confident with handling the curling iron that way. Next up, I'm going to run my fingers through my hair and finish my look with my Control Force hairspray. So there you have it. We've got our beachy wave look. And like I said, it's as simple as 5 minutes each morning. You may have to practice sometimes with your curling iron off until you feel comfortable. And you just need your 1-inch curling iron, your Aveda Control Force hairspray, and I like to finish the ends of my hair with Damage Remedy Split End Repair. And I just apply a little bit to the ends to give those kind of dry ends a very nice finished look. Thanks for joining, and have a wonderful day.